This is my automated bandsaw. It's a DoAll C-1212A. Some people might not know that a bandsaw like this is out there. It can help you a lot if you're doing a lot of production. I've seen these saws on videos that are packed full of like 20 or 30 tubes, and each time the saw comes down you get 20 or 30 pieces, and then it will automatically push that forward, so you can really make a huge amount of production quickly. I use it, even in automatic mode to make cuts on 15 pieces or 60 pieces. It's great for getting a repeatable stock material to make a machine-ready blade, and it's so much more accurate and so much more hands-off than you just having to stand at the saw and index the part. Behind this maintenance door is the drive wheel for the band. Here at the rear of the machine is where you set the height for automatic mode of your workpiece. This adjustable dog comes up against that limit switch to stop the arm in its upward travel. And so, if you set the material to be thicker than it is, you waste a lot of time in downfeed. So you want to get this set close to the material enough to clear it, but not too high to where you're wasting time. Also, here at the rear of the machine, you can see the cylinder that advances the indexing vise. I put a little digital readout, meaning that there is glass scales installed down inside there. And this digital readout helps you set quickly the length of the cut that you're going to take in automated mode. The two vices have these different channels that you can select. So you can imagine that the hydraulic cylinders in the vise don't have a very long stroke, so they don't necessarily cover the range required for all different bar sizes. So you choose one of these notches and set the width of the material that you're cutting here. Down here is the handle that you turn to choose the length of the index for automated mode. And of course the digital readout glass scale is hooked up to the piece that moves when you turn that screw. Like I mentioned earlier, that not everybody has seen an automated bandsaw like this one, and I thought you might enjoy taking a look at how the machine runs.